there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast, back again. Nice to see you all. I've been waiting for this moment because today I'm finally introducing a brand new IKEA item I was really excited about.
You might be surprised to hear that IKEA actually sells something like this. Also, the latest room set display looked so stylish, so let's start by checking out that room set first. Here's the before version. They recently redecorated the space and it looks incredibly stylish now. The interior taste has changed a lot. The TV position and sofa direction have been completely rearranged. This room is about 26 square meters, or roughly 280 square feet. There are lots of new items I want to highlight here. Let's begin with the dining area. First, take a look at this pendant light. The table lamp on the shelf has a matching shape and looks very chic. This lampshade is surprisingly affordable. The dining table here is from the Tonstad series. Tonstad is a premium IKEA line with great design. Of course, the big shelving unit at the back really grabs your attention. It's a modular unit you can freely customize. The price in the top right is for this specific combination. You can extend it horizontally as much as you like and freely combine doors or open sections. Since there's no backboard, you can neatly route cables and even place lights behind it. Now let's look around the sofa area. The rug and cushions are coordinated from the Stockholm collection. That zebra-patterned chair cover is actually a brand new release too. It's used on the Mamet chair, which makes it look really trendy. This isn't a regular sofa, it's actually a sofa bed from the Fryeton series. The lamp on the TV stand is placed beautifully. Its minimal design fits almost any style easily. Bouncing the light off the wall looks so elegant, doesn't it? Before, the TV used to be on this wall, and there was a lounge chair in this spot instead. The mix of white beige and black accents creates an interior I'd love to copy. Now let's go check out the main new product I came here for. It's tableware this time. IKEA just launched a new series inspired by traditional Japanese Mino pottery. I was really looking forward to this, but honestly, the sales area looked kind of wild. Like boxes were just sitting around. Maybe they were still setting it up. It was pretty raw but interesting to see. Unfortunately, this collection is only available in Asia for now. But I've heard that if it becomes popular, it might expand to other regions too. So if you happen to see it, definitely check it out. The pieces themselves are truly beautiful. They are super lightweight yet sturdy. At first, I was only planning to buy a rice bowl, but I accidentally ended up getting two types. Can you see it? There's a faint pattern on the surface. They say made in Japan on the bottom. They're microwave and dishwasher safe. They feel thin, but also solid and durable. According to IKEA's website, they're about 20% lighter than previous models. I've been an IKEA fan for years, but I think this might be the first time I bought so many dishes at once. That's how good they are. The size is perfect for curry or pasta. The slightly deeper shape makes them easy to use. Because they're thin, they don't take up much storage space. When stacked, they fit perfectly in the space I planned for them. I tried using the smaller bowl as a rice bowl. It's light and easy to hold. My elementary school kid was surprised at how light it was. I've already used the larger plate several times and the depth makes it really practical. The only thing I noticed is that when you use a metal spoon, it tends to make a slightly louder clinking sound than usual. It goes perfectly with this tableware. There are 9 different sizes in the series, so definitely check them out in stores. Another tableware I want to show you is so light you'd think it's a joke. It's made of plastic. There are bowls and also plates. They're not listed on the Japanese IKEA site yet, but I saw them on international sites. There's also a beige version sold in the US. The material feels unbreakable and extremely light, so I think it's perfect for kids. It would also be great for picnics. And the price is almost unbelievable. They're microwave and dishwasher safe as well. IKEA's popular VITSJÖ table series now has a beige color option. I introduced the round type last time, but this time there's a square nest table-like version. This season, there are so many beige-colored new items. You can overlap them halfway or pull them apart when needed. I noticed the brown shelf board stands out a bit. It looks bright here because of the lighting, but in reality, it's a darker tone, closer to the color in the front. Here's another beige-colored new item. It's a new solid door panel for the BESTO cabinet series. You can buy just the doors separately. Some people don't like the fake wood grain pattern that's just printed on, so this plain beige option might be perfect for them. The BESTO series is one of IKEA's classic storage systems. You can mix and match glass doors, plain white panels, and many other styles. That pale blue one you see in the back is also a new item. We use the white version at home for our living room storage. I truly think BESTO works perfectly as a clean, minimal background. Oh, and this trash bin caught my eye. The lid flips open halfway, making it easy to toss things in. People even say it works great for toy storage. Interestingly, a beige version of this has been released overseas as a new color. I really hope that one comes to your country too. I was thinking of buying this blanket that I showed in a previous video because using it as a bedspread looked amazing. But when I went to get it, the room set had been changed again, and now I'm totally tempted again.
This new room set is stunning.
Very Scandinavian and natural. They're using another beige fluffy throw blanket as a bedspread again. It's the same series as the cushion covers. The tag says 700 yen, but that's just for the inner cushion. The cover tag just wasn't attached yet. The rug from the Stockholm collection was laid out here too, and the whole room looked stunning. The bed is from the Mandal series. It has large drawers underneath, so there's plenty of storage space. Also, the mattress simply sits on top of the frame, not inside it, which makes changing sheets much easier. Unfortunately, the blanket I wanted was sold out. It always sells out so fast. This long arm lamp looked amazing too. I'd love to add one to my home someday. Since Christmas is coming, IKEA has released a bunch of new toys for kids. In this room set, there's a new meerkat plush, and it actually stands on its own. It's surprisingly stable, so you just want to make it stand everywhere. The price is so affordable, it's kind of dangerous. Kids could easily talk you into buying it. The thick picture frame here looks adorable for displaying artwork. My kid loves origami, so this might be a great idea. I'll pick one up next time I go to IKEA. Here's another recent release, a set of dollhouse furniture and figures. The furniture is modeled after real IKEA products. Also, there's the famous Lillabo series. It's known for wooden train tracks, but now they've added new vehicle sets too. Wooden toys are always nice, and at IKEA they're really affordable. You know those rugs with road patterns? There are several kinds at IKEA, and a new one just came out under the Lillabo series. The older Storabo version has been discontinued, so I think this is its renewal. The size is the same, and you can connect them, so the rows line up. There's also a garden pattern version that's perfect for doll play. The colors and illustration style are so charming. Here's a personal chair with a new cover design. Patterned sofas can feel like a big commitment, but if it's just a cover, it's much easier to try bold designs. That cabinet behind it looks like the Hemnes series. Even the pattern inside the drawers is lovely. In the lighting section, there are also lots of new beige items. Is beige trending now or what? Here's one example. The cord has a built-in adjuster and the design is adorable. The metal structure gives it an industrial look, but the beige color adds a soft retro vibe. Even the ceiling cap is metal. The attention to detail is really impressive. Now, there's this flower vase that was supposed to launch on October 2nd, but it kind of became a legend. It's been spotted at the circular market outlet sections in several IKEA stores. The note said, "Paint defect." It's this wobbly, bouncy-shaped vase made in collaboration with popular Swedish designer Gustav. The release day was apparently chaos. The stock was super limited. Maybe the defective rate was high. But honestly, the paint imperfections are so minor, most people wouldn't even notice. Some circular market items can even be reserved online. Try searching Circular Market Yokohama or your local store name. You might find some treasures. Christmas displays should start increasing soon too. Gustav's collection is absolutely adorable. They even use donut-shaped ornaments in unexpected ways on the table display. The color combinations were perfect. This year, IKEA Japan actually brought in Christmas candles with patterns on them. I bought the spiral ones, but they sold out so quickly. Gone by the end of October. These block candles are still available though, in both green and red, and they're both beautiful. There's also a new candle tray with delicate details. It's very large, which you wouldn't expect for such a low price. By the way, Kojima Gik, a Japanese comedian and organizing expert, visited our home for the first time in 2 years. He got really into the candle snuffer again. IKEA's candle snuffers are such good value. They still sell similar designs now. Definitely check them out. The bench along our wall at home. People often ask where it's from. It's from IKEA, the SKÅDIS series made from acacia wood. It was discontinued for a while, but it's back again recently. SKÅDIS benches have open space underneath, so they look neat, and it's easy to place things below. There's also a black-legged version with a shelf. This whole setup with the green cart, the tableware, and the SKÅDIS furniture looks so beautiful. There's also a stool in the same series. You can sit on it, use it as a side table or even as a plant stand. It's one of my top recommendations at IKEA. This series also has a round table, available with black legs or legs matching the tabletop. It looks great even in darker black-based interiors. So that was the Skogstad series. Now, here's a fun corner. What is this IKEA item? This blue thing here, what do you think it is? It's very light when you pick it up. Here's a hint. Look at the section it's in. The answer is a laptop stand. You can tilt your laptop for better comfort. A slight angle makes typing easier and raises the screen a bit too. The bright color might not be for everyone, but for those who prefer something simple, there's also a white mesh version. It's simpler and more understated, but perfect for a cozy home setup. This room set is beautiful too. I've always dreamed of having a little desk corner like this in my bedroom. This desk is from the Malm series. It's sold as a dressing table, so if you search desk, it won't show up. Be careful. It's only 41 centimeters deep, so it fits nicely in small spaces. In this setup, they've placed a baby crib, creating a cozy space for parents with a newborn. This onion-shaped lampshade. I have always wanted one, and I didn't realize it was so affordable. Lampshades used to feel like a luxury, but IKEA makes it easy to refresh your room. The rolling cart here is from the Trotten series. It's about the same width as the Malm desk, so it holds quite a lot. By the way, do you know IKEA hacks? It means clever ways to use IKEA products creatively. My favorite IKEA hack is using the IKEA shaker to make pancakes easily. I'd love to hear your IKEA hack ideas too. You can write them in the comments or even post photos in the YouTube community tab. Viewers can post there too. I'll gather some of your hacks and introduce them in the next or following video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. See you again very soon in the next video.